In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update YouTube for Kids app. So by updating YouTube for Kids app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app. You'll also be able to fix any issue or any bugs that are associated with your YouTube for Kids app. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. To get the updated version of YouTube for Kids app, you need to go ahead and access the app through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Android and therefore I'll go ahead and look for this through my Google Play Store. And here is my app. And therefore to access it through Google Play Store, I'll go ahead and search for Play Store. From Play Store, I'll go ahead and search for YouTube for Kids. Just like that. And you can see our app is here. Now, if I go ahead and tap on it, you can see we have an update that is available. This means I've been using an outdated version of YouTube Kids app. So to update it, go ahead and just tap on update. And this will go ahead and download the latest version of YouTube Kids app and then install it on your smartphone. And you can see now once this is installed, you can proceed and open to start using this app. So that's how you can update YouTube for Kids app to the latest version. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.